Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope so you are well. Those who want to go abroad and they already applied their visa, they need to give their fingerprints and they need to take their pictures. I'm Siam, and in this video I will show you how we can take an appointment in the VFS to give our fingerprints and to take our pictures. So let's go for it.
First of all, we will open any browser, then we will write VFS Global and we will go www.vfsglobal.com. That link will be shown in my description also, and then we have to write the apply from country and the going to country's name. Then we will see that we can book an appointment. And also we can see that we will go apply for a visa section. Now in this video I will show book an appointment. After going that, if we scroll down in that page, then we will see that there are 5 different categories we can book our appointment. 1 is online, 2 is telephone, 3 is email, and 4 is web chat, and the last one is in person. Now in this video I will show you the online procedure. If we click view more, then we will see a lot of things, and we click here. Now they said that if this is the first time you are using the service, please click on new user. Then I am clicking new user. After that I write my first name, my last name, and my email ID and my mobile number, and I'll create a new password for this VFS Global. After that we will go our email for activate our account. In our email we see that there has a link named active account. We click that link to activate our account. After successfully activating, we can log in our accounts. Here we see that the destination country's name and our country's name. Now we can click schedule appointment, reschedule appointment, cancel appointment, email appointment later, or retrieve incomplete appointments. We click schedule appointment. After that we will select the center. I am selecting Canada VFS Dhaka, and we also select the number of applicants, and we select the category. After that we check the checkbox and hit the continue button. Then we hit add application button. Then in here we write our date of birth, and check our first name, last name, mobile number, and email ID. After successfully checking, we click submit button. Then we can see our reference number, and we click send one-time password. We can see our one-time password is sent to our mail and also sent our mobile SMS. And this OTP is valid for only 3 minutes. In here we see that there has no schedule, no available date for coronavirus. Then we click retrieve incomplete appointments and fill our mobile number or reference number to search our incomplete appointments. After searching, we click edit button, and again they send OTP in our mail and in our mobile SMS. After successfully verify the OTP, we select the available date and set our time range. Then hit the confirm button. After After that, we will see that an appointment letter has printed. We just download that letter. In that letter, they given our application name, reference number, date of birth, and appointment type, and the address where we will go to give our fingerprints and taking picture. They also said that we have to carry a hard copy of this appointment letter, and the application we have applied for the visa online IRCC website must carry a hard copy printout of that biometric instruction letter. That means we have to carry our biometric instruction letter that we can obtain from IRCC, and then we will carry a 2 passport size photo and a valid original passport. Now in our mail we can see that they sent an email to me, and here they provide some link. In that link I click confirm. Clicking confirm, we have to log in our VFS Global. Thank you.